As the sun rises over Nevada's desert, a massive gold mining operation slowly comes to life, stretching as far as the eye can see.
John Carter, a veteran miner, tightens his helmet. Years of dust and hard work etched into his face.
The mining crew moves forward together, their safety vests glowing against the morning light.
Geologist Sarah Miller studies the maps carefully, pinpointing where gold lies hidden beneath the earth.
A drilling rig rolls across the rocky ground, beginning the search for buried treasure.
Steel drill bits bite into solid rock, sending dust and stone into the air.
John watches closely as fresh samples emerge from deep underground.
Under bright lights, core samples reveal faint but promising traces of gold.
With a clear signal, the site is approved for full-scale excavation.
Giant excavators tear into the open pit, collapsing tons of earth with each movement.
Rock and soil pour into haul trucks in slow motion, marking the start of extraction.
John coordinates the operation over radio, keeping everything in sync.
Loaded haul trucks climb out of the pit, towering over the desert floor.
From above, a steady stream of trucks heads toward the processing plant.
Dust clouds trail behind them under the blazing desert sun.
The crushing plant roars to life, vibrating with raw industrial force.
Ore crashes into the primary crusher, shattering into smaller pieces.
Crushed rock races along conveyor belts in a relentless flow.
John inspects the machinery, sweat and dust mixing on his face.
Inside the grinding mill, massive drums rotate without pause.
Steel balls grind the ore into a fine powder.
The powdered ore becomes slurry, flowing into processing tanks.
Warning signs mark the chemical processing zone. Technicians monitor cyanide leaching from a secure control room.
Gold-rich solution moves silently through sealed pipelines.
Carbon particles absorb gold inside the processing tanks.
John observes through thick safety glass as the chemistry does its work.
Gold-loaded carbon is transferred for the next stage.
High heat strips gold from carbon columns.
Digital gauges track purity in real time. The gold solution moves toward electrowinning. Electric current pulls gold onto steel wool cathodes.
Tiny gold particles slowly form on metal surfaces.
Workers carefully remove steel wool packed with raw gold.
The material is carried toward the furnace. Blazing furnaces light up the Dart Industrial Hall. John and his team approach the heat in protective gear.
Molten gold pours out, glowing bright orange.
Sparks fly as impurities are removed. Liquid gold flows smoothly into molds. The metal cools, forming the shape of gold bars. Molds open to reveal rough, newly formed bars.
Close inspection shows natural surface imperfections.
The bars move on for refining. Chemical purification removes remaining impurities.
Purity is tested using advanced instruments. John watches quietly, focused and alert. Refined gold is poured again for final casting. Perfect gold bars emerge, smooth and brilliant.
Each bar is stamped with weight and purity. The stamping press marks gold with authority.
Bars are weighed with precision.
They are lined neatly on steel tables.
Security oversees every movement.
Each bar is logged and sealed.
Vault doors open slowly.
Gold bars are placed inside reinforced storage.
John takes one last look at the finished product.
The mining site glows under the setting sun.
Raw earth fades into images of gold.
Drilling, blasting, and crushing replay in slow motion. John's face shows exhaustion and pride.
The crew removes their helmets as the shift ends.
The camera pulls away under a golden sky.
Night lights keep the mine alive. Control room screens glow in the dark.
John hands over notes to the next supervisor.
Another site reveals underground operations. Miners descend deep below the surface.
Headlamps cut through narrow tunnels.
Drills strike hidden gold veins.
Explosives are set with precision.
A controlled blast shakes the tunnel. Dust clears, revealing broken ore.
Loaders carry ore upward. Ore emerges back into daylight.
John oversees both worlds, above and below ground. Crushing operations resume non-stop.
Slurry tanks churn under bright lights.
Chemical reactions change the liquid's color.
Data is logged digitally. Recovery efficiency appears on screens.
Valves are adjusted carefully.
Electro-winning plates glow with gold.
Steel wool returns to the furnace. Molten gold pours again in slow motion.
Heat ripples distort the air.
Workers signal silently near the flames. Gold molds align perfectly.
Bars cool along conveyor trays.
Robotic arms assist with handling. Laser scanners check quality.
Final polishing reveals brilliance.
A flawless gold bar shines under the light.
John smiles, just slightly.
Bars are wrapped for transport.
Armored trucks wait outside.
Security checks everything twice.
Gold is loaded carefully. Heavy doors slam shut.
The convoy moves out.
Trucks disappear into the desert road.
The mine falls quiet at dusk. Wind sweeps dust across the pit. Stars pass overhead in time-lapse.
Gold crystals appear under a microscope. Hard work is felt in every frame.
Worn gloves rest on silent machines.
John removes his helmet, looking back.
One gold bar slowly rotates under soft light.
From raw earth to pure gold. This is how gold is made in America.